Okay, this is video 1 of 100, the road to 100 videos from garbage to golden. In this video, I'll be answering a question. When and why do I need to use the AutoRecover information setting? Now, for the uninitiated, the AutoRecover setting is an Office feature found in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many others. It harkened to a time when computer hardware was not as reliable. For example, a few of us might remember what the blue screen of death used to look like, right? Oh yeah. And in more recent times, we've had this one popping up in Windows 10. Software crashes, definitely not as common as they used to be. Maybe things like unreliable power supplies. If you were on a desktop computer plugged into the wall and you find power might be going off frequently, you might want to set your AutoRecover settings. It's found in the File tab in the Options group. Right? And it's the same for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many others. Under Save, right, you'll see Save AutoRecover information every 10 minutes, and you can make it as frequent as 1 minute if you're really paranoid. Okay, so 5-10 minutes, probably a good setting depending on the reliability of your computer. What this will do is ask the program to come every 10 minutes and take a snapshot of your data. So even if you shut down, you close your file without saving, the AutoRecover information would come up. Okay, and we also have the option to keep the AutoRecovered version if I close without saving. Okay, this has been video 1, AutoRecover in Microsoft Office. Thank you for listening. Be sure to add the playlist to yours and it will grow as I add more videos. Have a good one.